including our current Attorney General, and had learned that I was doing the whole truth and nothing but the truth. Me alone.
Insulated from this kind of political threat.
Comey hearing bingo. And I found these cards on the internet, and my table mates and I are playing the game. And so far, we're doing pretty well.
Community and its activities. Lots of people, in your words, want to discuss in an open setting that if we function in adult democracy. And you also.
I actually had a day off of work, so my wife and I were going to come into the district anyway, and then we read in the paper this morning that a couple of bars were going to be showing the Comey hearing, so we thought that'd be a nice way to have lunch and maybe a drink or two.
And so I knew something was about to happen that I needed to pay very close attention